So this is also an example how biogas can be utilized for all the applications. eh? And one more video I will show. ये पंजाब में लामा कांगड़ी विलेज है, वहाँ का है. Yeah. So now, after these three videos, we can understand that how we can utilize the locally available resources for useful purpose, for energy, for fertilizer, for replacement of fossil fuel, and then it can improve our rural economy. It can improve our uh, employment opportunities and also livelihood in the rural areas. And you see, biogas slurry is also very enriched material for organic agriculture, and this is a golden resource for soil health because it improves carbon content in the soil, and it enhances soil quality and increase crop yield. Many how it can be utilized. So you can see that now farmers have started using biogas slurry for various agricultural applications, and the yield is more and the rates are also more because of the organic in nature, and nitrogen, phosphorus, potash content in biogas slurry have been mentioned here. And even you can sell liquid, you can separate liquid and solid in slurry and sell liquid also. That is also an entrepreneurial opportunity for farmers. And you can fill it into tankers and then sell it. And there are many farmers make use of all these bio fertilizers and other things. So nowadays there is a need for Swachh Bharat mission as well as solid waste management, liquid waste management, and biogas mission for all these applications in our country. Likewise, our Unnat Bharat Abhiyan program, which is working in nearly 3,000 colleges and 15,000 villages, and 5 thematic areas we are having: organic farming, water management, renewable energy, basic communities, and artisans, industries, and livelihood. So in this, every institute or college is a participating institute adopts 5 villages around the campus of institute or college, and they work for the development of these villages. So they work with the artisans, they work with the farmers, they provide technologies to villagers and understand the traditional wisdom and knowledge of the people. And when interact with the people, it is win-win situation for students and faculty as well as for the villagers in the country. And this program was developed by IIT Delhi. The concept we are given and ministry has adopted it in 2014. And at the time only IIT Delhi was doing Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. And today we are having a network of nearly 3,000 colleges across all the states and the districts in the country, working in nearly 40,000 villages with 13 subject expert groups. And these are the subject expert groups which are working for the benefit of the villages and our colleges for developing rural areas, empowering villages, and in last 4 5 years, many success stories have been reported by all the participating institute of Unnat Bharat Abhiyan in their villages. And some of the pictures I will just like to go through. You can just have a glance of all these work of Unnat Bharat Abhiyan Coordinating Institute as a participating institute in the country. And this is in Maharashtra. The students have designed their drainage network, their road network, their electricity network, and district collector have taken full support of our students and faculty members. This is in Himachal Pradesh. The college has organized various livelihood training programs for the women and children and youth in the village, and they were able to raise the livelihood and income of the people in this. IIT Delhi has taken 3 clusters, one at Khurrampur, in Gurgaon district, one at Vrindavan cluster, one at Haridwar district, and in all these villages, our students, our faculty members are working together for develop. This is Gandhigata cluster of IIT Delhi in Haridwar district, and we organize training program for lemongrass cultivation, mushroom cultivation, and teaching them about smokeless, improved cook stove, and then one college in Punjab, universal load carrier trolley, mobile hydraulic lifts. So all these development have been initiation of our Unnat Bharat Abhiyan institution, their students and their faculty members. This is of Chennai SRM Institute of Technology. So with this background, I thank you all for patient hearing of my vision and thought about how we can make use of locally available resources and reduce greenhouse gas emissions, utilize it for energy applications, fertilizer applications, and contribute in the development of rural economy, livelihood, environmental facility, reducing climate change. Thank you very much. And we need this kind of development in the country as well as in the whole world in 21st century. Thank you all.